In today's video, let me show you how to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. If you are selling anything through TikTok and you want to directly engage with your customers, they can easily visit your bio and then tap on your bio, from where they will directly land on the chat section of WhatsApp. So to do that, first of all, let's head over to WhatsApp to get the link. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on settings. From the settings menu, you'd be able to see these options. Now you just need to tap on this QR code icon that you see on the top right. Once you tap on it, this is a QR code. Now to get the link, tap on the share icon on the top. Now through this section, you can directly share the links on different platforms. But to copy the link and paste it to TikTok, you can just open up something like Notes on your device. So just select the Notes option. And from here you can just copy in this link instead of these text also. So just highlight the text and tap on copy. Now the link has been copied to your clipboard. You can now open up your TikTok. Now the one thing that you need to know is that before you add in any sort of links which are clickable on TikTok, you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers. Only after you have 1,000 followers, you'll be able to add in links. If you don't have 1,000 followers, you won't be able to add in clickable links to your TikTok bio. The other thing you also need to do is switch your account to a business account. So tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings and privacy, and then from here tap on account, and then you'll have an option of switching to business account. So just tap on that option, and once you have switched, tap on the edit profile option, and you'll have an option of website right here. That option would only appear once you switch to a business account and once you have 1,000 followers. So you can just tap open that link and then paste in the WhatsApp link that you just copied, and the link will be added just like this, and when someone taps on the link, they will be directed to your WhatsApp chat section. So that was a quick video on how to add WhatsApp link in TikTok. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos just like this, be sure to comment down below. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.